Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers, and now this is an emergency video for all Safuu holders because we saw a huge price drop and now a lot of people are asking what is going on, is this a rug pull or what is going on. So guys, first of all, sit back, relax, there's no rug pull, nothing really bad going on. Let me explain to you what happened, okay? So, emergency update, let me show you, we had this price. Like last night we were almost up at 9, let's say in the area of 860, okay, and now today we even went down to, let me show in detail, it's better here. We went down, you see we last night we hold the price level of about 890, let's say 9, and now today we went down even to a price of about 326 or so. So we went really down, yeah. And a lot of people are of course asking, why is this happening? What is going on? So I have the exact answer for you, okay? So stick with me. Let me show you. Here you see the biggest holders of Safuu, yeah? And as you might know, you can buy Safuu on PancakeSwap or in their own app, okay? I can just show you the app, for example. If you go there on their own app, takes a little time, guys. Yeah, you can buy it here, okay? You can go here to swap and you can buy it here. So this is not on Pancake, this is on their own swap, so to say. The problem, so to say, if you buy it on PancakeSwap is, of course, PancakeSwap gets paid a fee, okay? So, and this wallet here, just look at the end, 1950, okay? That's a confirmed PancakeSwap wallet where they, for example, provide liquidity, okay? So look here, 1950, and now we go here, 1950. That's the exact same wallet, yeah? And as you can see, 15 hours ago, they changed. At this time, you see about 2.1 million BNB for Safuu, or Safuu for BNB in this case. And as you can see, because we had this huge price drop, the price right now of Safuu for the same amount, it was at this time when they changed it, or when they sold it, so to say they sold it, it was the same, it was $2.156 million. And because of the price drop right now, it shows just $992,000, okay? But because they changed it at this time, of course you get the same amount BNB like Safuu at the time when you change it. So they sold about $2 million of Safuu to get BNB, yeah? So because every time when you buy or sell, they get a fee, and they kept all the Safuu, and today they decided to sell it. So what happened, yeah? So let me show you here. This was about this time. I mean, here it doesn't look so dramatic, but still, if you look at it, we went from about $8.7 down to 8.19, okay? So what happens then? If people who don't know what's going on, they just see it, oh, the price is going down, what can I do? Maybe I should sell, okay? So next one sees it, okay, I should sell. And you can check here on DEX screener. I mean, if you go back all down. I mean, as you can see right now, we have a lot of buys coming in. Actually, everything is green now, okay? No one is selling right now. Oh, here's one. But actually, you can see almost everyone is buying right now. But if you go really down, you will see that there are a lot of sells, yeah? These are so-called panic sellers because they don't know what's going on and they are just afraid, and if some people start to sell, of course the price drops. And then this price drop causes even more people to say, oh shit, what is going on? I should sell. And then those people sell, and those are those panic sellers. But as you can see, we went down here, okay, to, let's say about 330, yeah? But now people start to buy again and we went up. So from 330 to about 470, let's say, we went up almost 50%, or let's say around 50% from today's low. So actually, guys, you can relax, nothing bad happened. The only thing that happened is that PancakeSwap decided to sell their Safuu, yeah, to cash out, so to say. So, and as I showed you, you can just avoid it by buying or selling Safuu here against BNB, yeah. Because PancakeSwap always gets paid a fee, they always get paid a fee, and there will be some moment where they decide to sell. And this happened today, and this caused the first price drop, and then you have all the panic sellers coming in. Yeah. So nothing changed about the project. It's still going on. Okay. Everything working. The blockchain is coming. Everything on track, guys. Okay. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. What is going on? Relax. Everything okay. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.